Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by confirming FortiOS version is 6. 4 or later and log in as admin. Check available CPU and memory to avoid overload during shaping. Note interfaces and critical IP addresses you will protect. Decide baseline bandwidth such as 10 Mbps and guaranteed rates you can allocate. Verify your license supports traffic shaping features before proceeding with changes. Gather credentials for GUI and CLI so you can test both methods after configuration. Open policy and objects, then select traffic shapers to create a new profile. Define a shared shaper with 10 Mbps maximum and 2 Mbps guaranteed bandwidth for critical traffic. Add per user or per IP limits using 4096 KB buffers when needed to prevent bursts. Set priority values, 1 for high, 3 for medium, and 5 for low traffic classes. Configure DSCP rewrite or application matches to classify packets precisely by port and signature. Save the profile and name it clearly. Apply the shaping profile to a specific firewall policy in ingress or egress direction. Use service and source destination matches to limit only targeted flows. In CLI run, show firewall policy to confirm the shaper is attached to the correct policy ID. Use diagnose sys session list and get system performance top for real-time verification of throughput. Monitor with FortiView and traffic logs to observe true bandwidth use and latency. Adjust limits iteratively and then execute config save to persist changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.